Okay, welcome back to NA. Now, I'm going to go through the second work example, but before I go through the second work example, let us do some recap on your multiplication techniques in secondary 1 that you've learned. Now, if you remember carefully, positive multiplied by positive will give you positive. Negative multiplied by negative will also give you positive. Now, if you think about it the other way, positive times negative will give you negative. Negative times positive will also give you negative. Okay? So if the signs are the same, positive times positive, or negative times negative, if the signs are the same, they will give you positive. If the signs are different, one positive and one negative, or one negative and one positive, the result will be negative. With this knowledge, let's think about how to factorize a normal algebraic expression like 2x minus 4. Think about it. 2x minus 4, what is the common factor? You would know that the common factor is 2. So what you can do is you factorize out 2 and you're left with x minus 2. Well done. But is there another way to factorize 2x minus 4 other than just factorizing out positive 2? Now, I'm going to insert all the signs in, and I want you to observe something. Positive 2 times positive x gives you 2x, which is great. Positive 2 times negative 2 gives you negative 4, which is great. But is there another way to factorize 2x minus 4 instead of factorizing out positive 2? You can also factorize out negative 2. Now, remember back in my example here, negative times negative also give you positive. Yes, positive times positive gives you positive, but negative times negative also give you positive. So if you factorize out negative 2, you can be left with negative x. If you don't believe me, try. Negative 2 times negative x. Does it give you positive 2x? It does. Okay, there's another way to get negative 4. Instead of positive times negative, I can do negative times positive. If you try expanding minus 2 into minus x and minus 2 into positive 2, you will get back the question, which is 2x minus 4. Alright, so this is how you factorize this. We need this skill to do work example number 2 later. Okay, so if you are not clear on how to do this, you can rewind this part of the video and listen to what I teach again. If you understand, then let's move on to work example 2. Now, if you take a look at work example 2, you will realize that, hey, b minus 2a looks similar to 2a minus b, but they are actually different. I want you to notice 2a. 2a is negative over here, and on the right side, 2a is positive. Okay, if you look here, b is positive here, and b is negative over at this side over here. Now, in order to factorize, they both must be the same. So how do I make them the same? Now, remember what I told you about positive times positive giving you positive? See, let me show you. Positive 4c multiplied by positive 2a gives you positive 8ac. Okay, before that, I'm just going to leave the 5d and b minus 2a alone. Now, positive 4c times positive 2a is the same as negative 4c multiplying by negative 2a. Because positive times positive gives you positive, but negative times negative also gives you positive. So they are the same. I can just switch the signs around. Next, positive 4c multiplied by negative b. Positive times negative is the same as negative times positive. So I can just switch it around. B will become positive. So if you were to expand, you'll realize that they are the same. Negative 4c times negative 2a is the same as positive 4c times positive 2a. And if you notice, negative 4c times positive b is the same as positive 4c times negative b. Now, why are we doing that? We are doing that so that we can have this negative 2a plus b to be the same as this negative 2a plus b. From here, I can then factorize out the common factor, which is b minus 2a, and what I'm left with is 5d minus 4c. 5d coming from here and negative 4c coming from here. Okay, so this is work example 2. If you don't know how to do this question, rewind the video back and check out the video again. For now, if you understood, I need you to do classwork 2.1 to 2.4 and upload your picture. Upload the picture of your working and answers into SLS for me to monitor.